We had seen that total work done is work done in a day into number of days. So from this formula, you can come down to this also. That is, work done in one day would be total work done divided by number of days. So this gives me this formula. The second one, the third formula, which is number of days. So number of days would be total work done divided by work done in one day. So number of days would be total work done divided by work done in one day. So any problem can be solved applying these three. And these three, rather than these three, you can just remember this one. So if you remember this one, you can solve all the problems of this chapter. So let's start. Let's say that Ajay plows 1/6 of a field in one day. How many days will he take to plow half the field? So I know that Ajay plows 1/6 of a field. That is, if I divide this field into 6 equal parts, he will do one of those equal parts. So let me divide this field into 6 equal parts, and this is the work that Ajay does in one day. One of these 6 equal parts. So this is his one day work. Now what I need to find is how many days will he take to plow half the field. So let's look at this. Again, the basic formula, total work done is work done in one day into number of days. I need to find the number of days. So I'll use the number of days formula. That would be total work done divided by work done in one day. So this is what I'll get. Number of days would be total work done divided by work done in one day. Now total work that has to be done is half the field. Now this is important. So far we were interested in how many days he will take to complete the field. Now what the question says is, how many days will he take to plow half the field? So now total work which is to be done is not 1, but it is half. You need to plow half the field. Total work which has to be done is half divided by work done in one day. How much work does he do in a day? 1/6 of the field, which is 1/6 of 1, which is 1/6 only. So if I divide these two, it would be 1/2 times, I reciprocate this. This gives me 3. So number of days comes out to be 3. That is, he would take 3 days to plow half the field. Now let's visualize this. This is half the field which he has to do. If this is the entire field, this is half the field. And you can see that in 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3. In 3 days, he would complete this half field. And that's what we'd seen, that he plows half the field in 3 days. This is what we got applying the mathematical formula. So now can you answer this question? Which is, how many days will Ajay take to plow 3/8 portion of the field? Now this is one whole field. I divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has to do 3 of these 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So this is the work that he has to do. 1, 2, 3. 3 of these 8 equal parts. I want to find how much time will he take. How many days will he take to do this work? So what I need to see is that I know his one day work is 1/6. So how many 1/6 can actually fit in this 3/8? Applying the mathematical formula, total work done is work done in a day into number of days. Again, I need to find number of days, which would be total work done divided by work done in one day. Now, total work that has to be done is 3/8 of the field. If the field is 1 unit, is 1, he is doing 3/8 of the field. That is, he is doing 3/8 of 1. This is the work that he has to do, which is 3/8 only. So total work to be done is 3/8. You have to divide this by work done in one day. work that he does in one day, Ajay does 1/6 of the work field in a day. So work that he is doing in a day is 1/6. And we want to see how many days will he take to complete 3/8. So this would be 3/8 times, you reciprocate this, which is 6/1. This gives me 9/4. So number of days is 9/4, which is 2 1/4. That is 2 days and 1/4 of the third day, which would be equal to, one day has 24 hours. So 1/4 of a day implies 2 days plus 1/4 of a day, which would be 1/4 of 24, which is 6. So 2 days plus 6 hours. So he'll take 2 days, two complete days, and 6 more hours to complete 3/8 portion of the land. So this is how you can use this basic formula to solve any question relating to time and work.